Hey everybody, it is Phineas. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well today. Alright, today's a Sunday. A lot of times on a Sunday, like if it's one of my favorite days. Now when I used to work for the man, any kind of job outside of working for myself, I used to hate Sundays. Because immediately I wake up in the morning dreading the next day having to go to work for somebody else. Anyway, so Sundays become one of my favorite days, and a lot of times, mostly during the holidays, but screw it. We like to bake something. I got a sweet tooth from hell. I like to bake something. So today we're going to do banana bread with chocolate chips. And banana bread is good by itself. Then you add chocolate chips. Then you add this frosting to it. This banana bread frosting. It's insane. So I'll go through the process with you real quick. And then I'll put the recipe below. But it's insane. Now I don't know if it's frugal. So I'm going to add it up as I go. And I'll get the exact price at the end. And then I'll break it down the exact price per piece. So we'll see if it's frugal or not. This is so good, I kind of don't care. This is so freaking good. Alright, so let's get started and let's go. Alright, so let's break down the numbers of this thing. This dessert is really amazing. It's the best banana bread I ever had. Now the recipe doesn't call for chocolate chips, but I put them in there anyway. I'll link the recipe below. And the recipe below is for a double batch, because whenever we bake extra, because we like to give it to my friend's sister and brother-in-law, because they're really nice people. And they love her desserts too. Okay, so there's what it looks like. Okay, frosting just takes it to another level. The frosting is insane. Already knew it was gonna be good because I ate this. Okay, that's so good. It's addicting. It'll go fast. Okay, so the double batch, which you saw how much it makes a ton. And the frosting, the frosting is so good. It makes a ton of frosting too. Almost extra frosting, so the frosting will be really thick if you like it thick. So what it costs to make everything that you see, the big 13 by 9 pan and the small 9 by 9 pan, for everything, frosting, chocolate chips, everything, $15.14. Sounds like a lot, but when you break it down, okay, so if you're not going to do the whole single, the double batch, the recipe below, just cut it in half, and that will cost $7.57. So both batches, I got 27 pieces of cake. You know, not giant pieces, just small pieces. Because I bet there's a lot of calories in this. I'll tell you that in a minute. Okay, so each piece of cake is 56 cents. So this is frugal. When I started breaking it down and going over it, I wasn't sure how this is going to turn out. But 56 cents per piece of cake is that's a steal. This thing's amazing. All right, calories. Man, there's a lot of sugar in this thing. In the frosting alone, there's 6 cups of powdered sugar in the frosting alone. This thing is slam full of sugar. But gosh, it's good. Okay. So I had to estimate the calories because it's hard to be exact. But it's about 550 calories per little piece of cake. But man, this is so good. It's addicting. And it's better in the fridge. Like, it's better cold. I like when the frosting gets cold. So really, I think it's very budget friendly. Very frugal. Because 56 cents per piece of cake with frosting and chocolate chips. And, it's banana bread. Yeah, totally worth it. I will link the recipe below. I'll just put it there so you can copy and paste it. If you guys make it, let me know in the comments after you try it. It's the best banana bread I've ever had in my entire life. I can never eat banana bread again without frosting. The frosting takes it to a whole nother level. It's banana bread frosting. Alright, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. And I'll see you guys in the comments. And have a great day. Thank you.